welcome everyone. The same day we were at Pragati Maidan, 23rd of September. You all are remember it. These are the memories of 23rd of September, 24th, 25th, when we organized the convocation, that sports fair in Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. You can see the successful participants, they get their certificate there. Next year, we pray to God, then we able to organize once again that big show of India in 2021. Let us pray. Most welcome everyone.
Some memories to cherish. Great memories to cherish. It was an awesome event. We all enjoyed. And very, very informative. We met all elite people from entire world. And we created a new base for education in sports. Hi, Payal ji. How are you doing? Great to
good
see.
evening. Good evening, Kanika from UAE, and nice to see that video. And I really cherish it, and I really wish I could be part of it. Maybe next time, but
We
really
look forward. We look forward in 2021. We look forward to seeing 2021.
Sure. Congratulations, and was a great event. I can really feel the vibes here.
It was. And I look forward that with all your participation, people who are with us today, we're going to create another great event in 2021, which will be a worldwide platform for all the educators to meet and create another history in the world of sports and education.
Sure. And in UAE, we always say, Inshallah.
Yeah. Ameen. Yeah. So in 2021, once again, we will come up with a very big family of innovative academicians, those able to think out of the box.
Yeah,
so
and maybe compliment you in another. You're already growing in a good way.
Yeah. And then see.
So you have changed the hairstyle?
Yeah.
Look that you have changed your hairstyle this time.
Oh no, due to lockdown, I cut my hair my own self, or my son helped me. So it's a nature, by chance it changed. So welcome everyone. I'm happy to see Vandana Kohli. How are you, madam? Vandana ji, good to see you. Dr. Gopa, then today we have a more than 40 successful that participant, those complete their program with the CASS under Dr. Gopa Kumar and with the session of SPA India. Welcome Vandana ji, most welcome everyone. Welcome.
Thank you, Devji. I was listening to all of you silently.
So no.
So it was nice.
And you. अब लगाया या तो लगा दिया.
Hello.
Good evening, everyone. This is Mahek Dev. We are facing a technical issue right now. Dr. Dev will be back in few minutes. So, from my side, very welcome to everyone, and a very thanks to Dr. Gopa Kumar. He's been with us for a long time, and he's very successfully and very consistently is being conducting the classes for physiotherapy students and physiotherapy doctors. So, and especially he's especially conducting classes for doctors which are ambitious for being in sports physiotherapy field, and he's an expert in sports physiotherapy. One of his sessions is about sports injury and sports dysfunction, and those sessions are not only for physiotherapy students but very useful for the common man. So that's how he's been conducting the classes, and we are very thankful for him to be associated with us. Welcome, Dr. Gopa, and let us start the convocation now.
Many congratulations to everyone. Congratulations, Dr. Gopa, for doing a tremendously good in your field and educating people more to the next level.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Your effort towards this is commendable. I mean, you are doing a wonderful job.
Thank you, Kanika. Thank you very much for the kind word.
So, should we start, sir?
Yes.
Can I start the PPT then?
Yes, ma'am. Please start.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Can somebody make me host?
Yes, ma'am. Please wait. Dr. Dev is the host. So he will be back in a while. He will make you host.
No, Usha Malik is host.
Yes, I'm working on it.
Yeah. Hello, Miss Usha Malik.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just make me host? Dr. Dev, can you make me host?
Now you're a host.
But when I'm clicking on the share, nothing is happening.
Yeah. Now you can.
No, that's what I'm saying. Now only I'm saying when I'm clicking the share button, it is not sharing.
Uh, I think I make a host where the Dr. Gopa photo is there. So can you make a host of any other your?
Just give me a second.
Yeah. CEO.
Yeah, just give me a second.
Okay.
Mike.
Yeah. Yes. CEO for Features in Rostam. Yaranji, you got it? Hi, Banjari, how are you?
Good
Hello.
evening, sir. I'm good, doing good. How are you?
Yes, yes, I'm fine. I'm fine. Now let us introduce. Welcome, Dr. Usha Malik. How are you? Then Usha Malik will make you host of this program. Seema Ahuja ji from Gurgaon, welcome you. Miss Anusha Prabhakar, Shweta, good to see you. Yes, now the mic goes to Mr. Gopa Kumar. Let us start, Dr. Gopa. Yeah. Ragini, good to see you. That's great. So let us give a big clap. I think digital clap we need to. This is the 4th digital convocation. You are a witness for this worldwide. I think SPA India and CASS is the one of the organization in the world who organized this 4th digital convocation, and one of the organized by the IIT Mumbai. So we are growing fast. So let us now, Dr. Gopa, would you like to start it now? Dr. Gopa. Yeah.
Yeah, he is going to start now. He's just
Yeah,
going
yeah.
to say.
Yeah. Yes, Dr. Gopa. Go ahead. That's fantastic. Welcome, Anita Talori ji. Yeah, I welcome.
Thank you so much.
Now it's a speaker view. Dr. Dheeraj Arya, how are you? Good to see you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Dheeraj Arya ji, welcome, welcome.
Hi, sir.
Welcome, Kamlesh
Thank you so
Srinivasan.
much, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Good to see you this convocation. And
Thank you, sir.
Priyanshi Tiwari, good to see you. Sachin Ghorpade, how are you, Sachin ji? Mr.
Okay, Dr.
Siddharth.
Gopakumar, you can just start initiate the session.
Yes.
Yeah, hello. Hi.
Hi. Welcome.
Hi, Dr. Dev.
Hi, good to see you.
Yeah,
Welcome.
I got just disconnected in between.
No issue.
How are
Let's
you?
start. Fine. Let's start, huh?
So, yes. So we will thank you all for coming in today for this convocation, which is happening by SPA India in association with CAS, and good to see the number of participants who have increased from the upcoming convocations what all we had. So thanks a lot once again for participating in our courses and gaining more knowledge, experience. So we will get into the certificate distribution. So I think, Dr. Dev, you can start yourself first.
I can give my wishes and congratulations to each and everyone. So we already late 7:30, 8:30. I have another international meeting. So Dr. Gopa, it's all stage for you, and we all are our guests are with us. So let us start as soon as
All right, fine. So we will start with the first certificate. So Mrs. Ranju can display the certificate. I think we can finish off one batch of the course.
Yeah. Now, Dr. Gopa, you are very much familiar with the all guests are here. So invite the all guests to
Yes, yes,
announce
yes.
the name. Huh?
Dr. Payal is there.
Yeah.
Dr. Payal.
Yeah, always there.
Okay, right. So I will start with a certificate of sports injuries, hip injuries. So the first certificate goes to Anita Thaluri. Hands of applause to her for successfully completing the whole course with a desired award. Anita Thaluri.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes,
Thank
you
you so
can.
much. It's a really wonderful experience to focus on each part of the body as far as the injury and rehab is concerned. And it was a really wonderful experience.
Thank you, Anita. Thank you. So, yeah. Next one. Okay, the next certificate goes to Anusha Prabhakaran for sports hip injuries.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Good experience.
Yes, Anusha. Thank you, Anusha.
Thanks a lot.
Yes. The third one, BV Chetan Sharma. Chetan.
Session right now. Chetan is in the session, basketball session. So he told me to inform you.
Dr. Gopa, almost how many certificates are there?
It's around 40.
40, okay. So let us I invite Dr. Dheeraj Arya. Dr. Dheeraj Arya, please open your video also. Just announce the fourth name on fourth certificates.
Yes.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Good. So his certificate is also
Thank you,
there?
sir. Thank you so much.
Good. Yeah. Oh, wow.
Ma'am, he's
That's
in
nice.
basketball session.
Great.
Chetan is in his basketball session. He told me to inform you.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. And thank you so much, sir. It was a great experience.
Yeah. So let us start with the Usha Malik. Madam Usha Malik. Usha Malik, madam. How are you?
Sir, good evening, sir. I'm perfectly fine.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
so Dr. Usha Malik, she is a principal from Haryana. So, yeah, Dr. Malik, just you announce the name of fourth certificate. Just change the slide now. The successful certificate goes to
Dheeraj Arya.
now change. Usha ji, announce the name of the certificate.
This is Mr. Jabir CM.
Jabir, are you available?
Next.
Ma'am Kamlesh.
Yes. Kamlesh ji, open
Yes, sir.
your video. Yeah, how are
Good evening,
you?
sir. I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, good to see you, man. Good to see you. Congratulations.
How?
Yes.
Yes, sir. How are you, sir?
Fine, dear, fine. Good to see you. Next one. Yeah. Yes, Usha ji.
Mr. Sachin.
Mr. Sachin P. Gorpade. Most
Hello,
welcome.
sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
So nice of you.
It was a
Congratulations.
great opportunity to learn from Cash, sir.
Oh, wow. That's nice. It's a fantastic
And many more looking
experience.
forward, sir.
Yes. Fantastic experience you have. Now, Dr. Payal Sevani. Dr.
Yes,
Payal
sir.
Sevani, please open your video. Yeah. Announce the name. Yeah. Thank you, Usha ji.
Yeah. Congratulations to Siddhant Hunrao for completing successfully and met the requirement and is awarded for e-certificate, sports and hip injuries and return to sports.
Yes, yes,
Thank you.
yes. That's
Thank you,
great,
ma'am. Thank you.
Siddhant.
Congratulations, Siddhant.
Congratulations,
Thank you, ma'am.
congratulations. That's a big clap for you. Next.
Congratulations to Spurti Parvatikar, sorry to announce that, who has successfully completed the requirement for e-certificate for sports and hip injuries and return to sports.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Spurti.
Yes,
Thank you so much.
thank you so much, Spurti. Congratulations. That's great. Next one.
And the next certificate goes to Alagu Bharatwaj, again for sports injuries and sports hip injuries and returns to sports.
That's great. Congratulations.
Sir, you are there?
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Okay, the next award goes to Vasant Kumar, who has successfully met the requirement for sports, hip injuries, and return to sports. Congratulations, Mr. Vasant.
Yeah, Mr. Vasant. Yeah, next I wish
Congratulations.
Thank you. I wish to invite Manjari Sehgal. Manjari Sehgal ji.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Bunch of congratulations to
everyone.
the e-certificate holders.
Just announce the name
So
of this
the
successful candidate.
certificate is for Shan Muga Priyanka, who has successfully met the requirement and was awarded e-certificate in sports, hip injuries, and return to sports. Bundle of congratulations.
Yes, Shan Mugha, please, can we see you? Yes,
Are you
yes,
there,
yes.
Priyanka?
Congratulations.
Her name, Manjari, her name is Shan Mugha.
Shan Mugha. Okay, I apologize for the wrong pronunciation, dear.
No, we North Indian give the big name, na Shan Mugha.
Yes.
Yeah. So next one.
So the next slide, please. Then next we have Anushya Prabhakaran. Again, she has successfully met the requirement and was awarded e-certificate in foot, ankle, form, function, and future. Bundle of congratulations to you too.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, big congratulations, dear. Big congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Chetan is not there, so I'll move on to the next.
Okay, yeah, next please.
Next we have Jabir CM. Again, successfully met the requirement and is awarded e-certificate in foot, ankle, form, function, and future. Congratulations to you too.
Yes, congratulations. I wish to invite Dr. Seema Ahuja. She is with us. Seema Ahuja ji, can we see you? To announce some more certificates. Seema Ahuja. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, she is opening mic. Yes, Seema ji. Seema. Okay. So I wish to invite Anindita Chaudhary, madam from Kolkata. Anindita Chaudhary, ma'am from Kolkata. So, ma'am, just announce the name of successful candidate.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome, Professor Anindita. Welcome.
Yeah. It's Alagu Bharadwaj for foot, ankle, from function and future. Congratulations, Alagu Bharadwaj.
Give a big hand, Mr. Alagu. Are you there?
Congratulations.
Sir, you're there?
Yes. Yeah. So next, Anindita.
Yeah, next is Babita Rajkumar. Was awarded e-certificate in foot, ankle, form, function, and future. Congratulations, Babita.
Yes, Babita Rajkumar. Can we see you, Babita? Dr. Payal, just open your mic because sometimes
Babita
your
Rajkumar,
views
are you
also is
there?
helpful. Yeah, we all can clap for them.
Siddhant Honrao
Yeah,
was
Mr.
awarded
Siddharth.
e-certificate in foot, ankle, form, function, and future. Congratulations, Siddhant.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, Seema ji. Can we see you, Seema Oja ji?
Yeah, I'll just come.
just. So just open your mic and video so we all can clap for these successful candidates.
Yeah.
Kanika, you also
I'll
welcome,
do that.
Kanika. Do come. Mamta Sharma ji, most welcome. Then just open your videos and mic so that we all can clap. Yes, please. So let's, next slide, please.
Dheeraj Arya
Yeah, once again, very
was
nice.
awarded e-certificate in foot, ankle, form, function, and future. Congratulations, Dheeraj Arya.
Dheeraj Arya.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
That's right. That's nice. Dheeraj.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, great. Another.
Big round of applause for everyone.
Yeah, now Manjari start. Yeah. Yeah, everybody need a big cheer up. Yeah, Seema ji, most welcome. So Seema ji, let us announce the name of the successful candidate. Seema Aujai, she is a principal in Gurgaon.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. I'm the principal of Suraj School, Gurgaon.
Very nice.
And it was like, it is always a pleasure actually listening to you,
So
and
nice.
the kind of initiative that you are taking. It's really a pleasure.
So nice. Thank you so much. Yeah. So next name.
Sachin P. Ghorpade was awarded e-certificate in foot, ankle, form, function, and future. Congratulations, Sachin ji.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Yes, Academy.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Next.
Tehir Rai R has successfully met the requirements and was awarded e-certificate in foot, ankle, form, function, and future. Congratulations, Tehir Rai R.
Shweta Rastogi, open your mic and video. We need that you will announce some name. Shweta. Mamta Sharma ji, open your video and mic also. You open your video. Yeah, everyone, we have to give the big round of applause to successful candidates. Yeah, Seema ji. Yeah, Spurti Parvatikar. Got it?
Murthy Parvatikar, a big round of applause to you too.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
That's great. Big smiles.
She's been awarded e-certificate again in
Great.
foot and ankle and function and future.
Yeah, wow, that's nice. So next, Kanika, just take some name of the successful candidate. Yeah, Kanika.
So it's being honored to present this certificate to Nisha A for completing her e-certificate in shoulder dysfunction. Many congratulations, Nisha. All
Yes,
the very
Nisha.
best for your
Shoulder
future.
dysfunction.
It's a dysfunction. Shoulder dysfunction. Yes.
Good evening, Kanika ma'am.
Good evening, Mansi ma'am. How are you doing? Great to see
I'm
you.
doing good, ma'am. Same here.
That's good.
My honor to give a certificate to R. Ramaya for completing her course in shoulder dysfunction. Many congratulations and all the very best for your future.
That's
It's my honor to present the certificate to for completing her certificate in shoulder dysfunction. Many congratulations and all the very best, dear.
Yeah, Shweta, congratulations. Yes.
It's my honor to present the certificate to Siddhant for completing his course in shoulder dysfunction. Many congratulations, Siddhant, and all the very best for your future. We look forward for more communications with you.
Thank you.
So Mamta Sharma ji just announced the name of successful candidates. Welcome, Mamta ji. Your Hindi poetry are truly this touch the heart. Yeah, please, Mamta ji.
जी sir.
Sunil Kumar M, who has successfully met the requirement and is awarded e-certificate in shoulder dysfunctions.
Yes, that's nice.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
So next we have Farzana Anwala, who has successfully met the requirement and is awarded e-certificate again in shoulder dysfunction. Congratulations, Farzana.
Yes.
Farnaza, sorry. Farnaza.
Normally we use the name of Farzana.
Farzana, right?
Yes.
Many congratulations.
So next Priyanshi. Okay. Now ACL injury. So Mamta Sharma ji, please announce the name. Mamta Sharma ji. Mamta ji, yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Please announce the name of successful candidate. Yeah, we can able to see Dr. Priyanshi Tiwari.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, Mamta ji, please take the name of the successful candidate. Yes. Yeah. So congratulations to Priyanshi Tiwari for this grand success. Got the award e-certificate, ACL injuries rehabilitation and return to sports 4. So Dr. Gopa, you are doing wonderful job for the creating this sports curator, and definitely the youth of India is really appreciate your effort. So congratulations, Dr. Priyanshi Tiwari. Thank you so much. Next
All
one.
the very best, Priyanshi.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Mamta Sharma, madam, can you hear me? So please take the name of this successful candidate, which you can see the certificate on screen. Yeah, Mamta ji. Announce the name of this successful persons. Can you hear me, Mamta ji?
जी sir.
हाँ, please आप नाम लीजिए, वरुण जिराली.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, please.
Varun Jirali ji has successfully.
Yes, ACL injuries rehabilitation and return to sports for Mr. Varun Jirali. Can we see you, man? Big
Sir, I'm
congratulations
actually
to you.
out. I cannot switch on the camera now.
No
I'm
issue,
riding back.
but you can say a few words.
Yeah,
Yeah, we can see you are kissing a big trophy, huh? That's nice. Is it your first love?
Yeah, cricket is my first love always.
Wow. And now you are married?
Sorry?
Are you married now?
No, sir, I'm just 25.
Then
Still
you
a
can
long way
say
to go.
then you can say your first love and first kiss. Okay.
Yeah, after marriage also.
You are in a very safe zone.
After marriage also, I think the first love will always be cricket itself.
No, man. After 1 year, 2 years, you can change your opinions. By the congratulations.
I hope you have not searched a girl for him.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Manjari, you want to hear again?
Yeah, sir.
I hope you have not searched a girl for him.
No.
Good, Varun. Yes, nice.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Next. Mamta ji, next name. Okay. So So I think Anindita madam, just you announce the name.
Okay, next is Shanmuga Priyanka.
That's
Name,
congratulations, Shanmuga once again.
congratulations, Shanmuga.
Congratulations, Priya.
Shanmuga, congratulations.
Rasid Abdul. Congratulations, Rasid Abdul. You
All
have
the very best,
successfully met
Rashid.
the requirements and awarded e-certificate. Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Rasid.
Congratulations. Shweta, just open your mic in video. Shweta Rastogi. Shweta Rastogi. Yeah, open your mic, Shweta.
Siddhant Honrao. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Siddhant, once again, third
Siddhant,
congratulations to you.
congratulations.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Dheeraj Arya.
Neeraj Arya. Congratulations, Neeraj
Thank you, sir.
Arya.
Thank you so much.
That's great. Shweta, open your mic. Shweta Rastogi. Yeah, next Anindita ji.
Rekha J.
Rekha J. Rekha J, most welcome.
And congratulations, heartiest congratulations, Rekha J.
Madam, Dr. Radhakrishnan is with us. Yes, Dr. Gopa.
Yes, yes.
Hello,
Brother
madam.
Mohan.
How are you? Good to see you. We all need your blessings.
Radha Krishna Swami, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am. She's with us, na? Yeah, ma'am. How are you? Radha Krishna Swami.
Next is Snehit Rai R. Congratulations, Snehit Rai R. Congratulations, Snehit.
That's nice. That's
Sweta Srinivasan. Sweta Srinivasan, congratulations. Kamlesh Srinivasan.
Hello.
Kamlesh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations.
It's only
Thank you, thank
Kamlesh.
you.
The name has been misprinted.
Okay.
Sorry.
Congratulations.
I can't see the
It's right.
screen now.
Kamlesh Srinivasan, it's right.
Yeah.
No, it's right. It's right. Kamlesh Srinivasan only. Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
That's right.
Then the first certificate I have to make the change where only name is there.
All right. Name is there. Yes. And rest of any other certificates? Shweta Rastogi, are you with us?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's it, sir.
Okay.
Because few of them are not present today.
Okay. So now let us say something about this successful sports physiotherapy and exercise program. And today we all are here. So Dr. Gopa just asked the experience. Radha Krishna madam is with us, and Dheeraj. So one-to-one you can ask the experience, and our special guest Anindita ji, Dr. Payal, Seema Ahuja ji, Kanika ji, then they all will share their views about this emerging career in a sports physiotherapy. So let us start with Dr. Gopa.
Yes, yes. So I think we had this talk even last time regarding this career. So our main intention is to build in complete knowledge and experience, to gain, knowledge is the main part. So spreading the knowledge is the main idea and the concept behind, the CAS, what I'm doing. And successfully, we have completed almost around 40 people in this, lockdown period itself, with a break where everyone, is losing their complete knowledge, sitting at home. So yes, but we have not felt that. We always felt we are together, and that's where we have successfully, completed these courses in association with SPA, doing a great job, providing the certificate, and making the motivating people. So motivation is the main part right here. So again, that's another part which has played a major role. And yes, see, everything has got a step. So we are now heading ahead with all your blessings and everyone's support, where we are now coming up with a long-term course, which are apart from the short-term. So we started with one short-term course earlier, and today 11 to 12 courses have been running. So, and we are heading towards a long-term, and we are getting associated with various sports organizations together in support. Yes, this is basically what I wanted to, and that was my dream. And thanks to Dr. Dev for making our dream come true. Where I described him first when I was just initially starting to chat with him, and I said this is the step how we are going to go with and how he has to do, and he said move forward. That's it. Everything will come. And I said I need to build in experts in this field, and that's where my aim is. And thanks a lot again. And I think the career here is showing up much more, because now we could see how how people are enthusiastic in learning. So, and and sharing their knowledge and experience. And I feel great to interact with all my participants who has really been very close, like a family. And it's really great. So I think we'll be having more and more experts coming out, and I'm sure they are also going to be the instructors, and I feel proud of it. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Dr. Radhakrishnan, madam is with us. Madam, can you open your mic and video so that we can enjoy your shower of knowledge?
Radha ma'am?
Sir?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm a little busy giving dinner to my mother. If you excuse me, I'll just be participant. Go ahead.
Whenever, madam, whenever. Yeah. So kind. Yeah, Dr. Payal, just share your views about this, and you are a witness of our 4th digital convocation.
Yeah, I'm feeling. I'm so proud to be a part of SPA India, and the day I started joining you, I was little shy and little was not ongoing through it. But after that, and now I'm a permanent special guest as consent to award. So I've started started being a speaker and little more towards it. Actually, I'm a camera shy person, but now I'm trying to ongo it. Thank you, Dr. Dev Sarji. Thank you, Gopa Kumar Sarji. Thank you, Kanika, for being there. And I'm really enjoying this part of Feast. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Payal. Dr. Payal was the speaker of one of the webinar, the employment opportunity from Mumbai to Dubai. The title of that webinar is, and she is with the Pratibha. Got it. Wish to welcome Dr. Seema Ahuja, and think just share your views, give the blessing of all successful candidates. Dr. Seema Ahuja.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Arora. Yes, first of all, I would like to congratulate all the awardees, and I'm sure it was a great journey for them, and it has just started. And the initiative, as I have already mentioned, is really worth mentioning, Dr. Arora, because the kind of initiative that you have taken. And sports, I remember sports was just the extracurricular activity in the school, if I talk about school only. And college was it was beyond our imagination that somebody is going to do any course. It used to be like the one who is not able to do anything and is good in playing will take up this as a career. But now the way you are doing it, and the ministry has also, they are saying that we have to develop skill, we have to develop these skills, and the skill we are talking about is one of the skill can be the the sports also. You know, children can take up this as a vocational course right from, you know, grade 11th or 12th, and people are taking physical education, so so that they can actually make a career out of it. And earlier our time, even if, you know, I must tell you, Dr. Arora, I'm also a national player of Kho-Kho and Kabaddi, but this was, I mean, I couldn't make it as my career because it wasn't allowed in this society, neither from my parents' side or nor from my, you know, from the society also. You know, what are you doing? It used to be कि the जो सबसे निठल्ला है वो sports में चला जाएगा. You know, it used to be like that. But I have always, you know, I wanted that, you know, children should do well in sports, and this should not be a extracurricular thing. And then they made it a co-curricular activity, and now children are, and I'm suggesting children now that, you know, those who are good in sports, I always tell them, I said, see, if you're good in sports, excel in that. In whatever field that you're good, you should excel. So thank you for taking this kind of initiative and giving this kind of exposure to the world, and to, in fact, why I'm saying world, just now you said, you know, a webinar on Mumbai to Dubai. So
yeah, London
yes,
to Ludhiana, Ludhiana to London.
yeah, Ludhiana to London and Mumbai to Dubai. So I
Yeah.
thought, I mean, now people have understood that, you know, every field has the, you know, its own importance. If the child or if somebody is good in one field, and that child should now, and even parents should help, teacher should help that child. So this is what I am doing it. So I'm promoting sports in my school also.
Yes.
And in my previous school where I was, it was a sports school only. It was just that it was my bad luck that I could not be there for, you know, could not stay there for long, because it was something like 60 kilometers away from my home. So I could not, you know, do it. So it's a good initiative, Dr. Arora, and it's been pleasure that, you know, and somehow, like, I just got your link and I thought, let me just join now. I have time also, so let me
That's
just
great.
join.
So kind, so
And
kind.
yeah,
So we able to talk to our Kangana Ranawat. She's taking a panga again in a Kho-Kho and Kabaddi. We all are with you.
Yes. Yeah, I saw that panga.
Because
movie, yes.
we all should saw that panga, and we
Yes.
have to take panga. We have a Minakshi from Gurgaon. You can see her photo on Facebook as Kanika. You saw that, appreciate we all of. She's just only 45 year, and she took panga every Sunday in the boot camp, and I think she is 60 kg weight, and she uplift the more than 100 kg weight. So thing is going on, and truly nice. The certificate in sports physiotherapy we associate with Armenia University, associate with the Santosh University, Dean Medical University in Ghaziabad, and many more universities also. So the program and registration and admissions are started, and now so many people are enjoying this, because we launched this program in rupees only, not in lakhs.
Not in lakhs, yeah.
Yeah, because this program is running in Mumbai, and I am Rohtak. Its fees is more than 5 lakh, 6 lakh. But if you go to abroad, South Africa, Europe, or Australia, goes to fees 25 lakh fees. And then in India, just we start for the teachers, just 15,000, and for the students, it's just a 50,000. So
great.
We are making under the direction of the Government of India, because the purpose of Government of India to make a economical employable program. As Dr. Gopa is taking the another non-strike hand with me, I am taking care of the management program, technical program, and Dr. Gopa is taking care of the all paramedical programs. So he makes us physically fit to the players, and we create the opportunity. Like last year, 23 of September, the same day, we had a big show in a Pragati Maidan, which we organized from 2015 to 2020 at Dr. Seema. You missed, I think, one or two program, but you came there.
No, I came there.
Yeah, you came there. So then we are creating this environment so that our sports person, age no bar, whatever the age of the sports person, he will enjoy a respectful life. So through these courses, then they can make their good life, and they can help to others. Now wish to invite Dr. Anandita Chaudhary. She's from Kolkata. She's professor from Sikkim Manipal University, the world-renowned university. And now she's devoted each and everything with all of us. Yes. Hi, welcome Dr. Sanjeev Kapoor. Yes. Hello. Yeah. So Anandita.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Good evening, everyone. Congratulations, sir, and each and everyone present here today, especially the awardees. I am very privileged and I feel proud to be associated with SPA India. And thank you, sir, for creating this opportunity for everyone.
Ma Durga is blessing all of us. Navratra is coming.
Yes.
Yes. So we have a executive director from Meerut Management Association, Mr. Kapil Gehlot. How are you, Mr. Kapil? Yeah. So I think Dr. Radha, madam, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I'm here. Yeah, but my video is not working. I don't know why it's not coming at all.
We can able to see you, ma'am, and happy
Yeah,
to
but I'm not
listen
able
your
to see
voice.
myself. That's okay.
That's you can see all of us.
I can see all of you, right?
Yeah, so nice of you.
I would like to thank SPA and your team, entire team, Dr. Gopakumar and ma'am, all of them for putting such a wonderful program. And during this COVID time, we get to spend some time studying and furthering our knowledge. And a lot of people are interested in our programs. So good to see so many of them. And since we are, as you said, we are priced in rupees and not in dollars and lakhs. So a lot of people find it convenient to attend a couple of, 2-3 at a time. And we are mostly keeping it in weekends so that it helps people to, catch up with studies. They are also doing their own online classes during the week. So it's been going very well and we are introducing more programs. And I would like to thank the organization SPA as well as the core physio team and all the awardees for being there on a weekday today and attending some of the people had mentioned their inability to come, couple of them from outside India and some of them are traveling to their native place. So not able to attend today, otherwise we would have had even a huge gathering today.
Yeah.
So let's continue this good work and get more people ready so that we can serve the fitness community and
Yes. Yes, so we can share this video to each and everyone. I think Manjari is taking an evening walk. Manjari, when you are ready, then we need to listen you. But after
I
10
am
minutes,
ever ready, sir.
I know you are a firebrand. So I just need after 10 minutes to you here, and then yeah. So we have Usha Malik ji, Shweta Rastogi. Share your views, Usha ji. And we have a very dynamic Shami Kapoor with us. He's a Yahoo Sanjeev Kapoor. Yeah, Sanjeev ji.
Good
Yeah,
evening,
Usha,
sir.
Usha madam. Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, sir. This is my first convocation here, and I'm really feeling great to attend it. And I've come to know that people like you who are helping out people to know about sports and the career opportunities in this field. One of the principals, she said that people used to think earlier that people who are in sports, they are of no use, but now things have changed. Even I have passed out my schooling from Motilal Nehru School of Sports, Rai, and I was a national player. I was a long jumper.
Wow.
And
Seema ji, just associate with each other.
Yes, yeah.
Kudos to you, ma'am.
Again, kudos.
So
Again, take a
when
punja.
I came to know, when I came to know about this organization SPA India through Renuka Sood ma'am, so I wanted to join it, and thank you, Mr. Dev, for giving us the opportunity to come on this platform. And I really like this idea of appreciating people, because appreciation leads to great opportunities and success. It's a great thing, like in such pandemic times, you are awarding people, appreciating them. And trust me, nowadays people are becoming aware about sports, and there are a lot of career opportunities in sports. But I think even the school principals, they are not that much aware. Because we were associated with sports, and that's why we are promoting it in our schools also. Students, they do participate at national level, and even one of my student participated at international level also. So I'm really thankful to you, sir, that you have provided us this platform, and we'll learn from each other many more things, and so we'll be able to guide our students also. So happy to join you, sir, and thank you once again. Thank you.
So nice. It's a very right line you said, that we learn from each other. So I would like to invite a Yahoo person, Sanjeev Kapoor ji. Please, most welcome. Open your mic, Sanjeev sir. Open your mic, sir.
1 minute, I'll unmute.
Yeah.
Now it is okay?
Yeah, now it is much okay.
Now I can say Yahoo, chahe mujhe koi jangli kahe, right?
That's but
Okay.
don't disclose your age. You are a 17.
Yeah, I am even
disclose.
more than that. I am 91.
Please. No,
Not
please
70,
don't disclose.
91.
Yeah, please. Most welcome.
So I thank my close dear friend Dev for giving me an opportunity to speak on this august occasion. The occasion is basically to celebrate each other's strength and look into the possibilities of what we can do together to encourage ourselves during this tough pandemic time. I think the time will never last forever, even if it is a good time or a bad time. It is always a matter of thinking which goes into the mind. I think we all get over this kind of situation very fast. And I think what he's basically trying to promote, Mr. Arora, is the sports which keeps us healthy, which keeps us connected. And now the sports are, started at the full-fledged level. IPL is coming. People are trying to, and the first match was very, 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 very interesting, which was a super over second match, which was basically given a lot of opportunity for us to learn from that even if we feel that we are the challengers, but there are the people behind us who can take us to a different level altogether and give us a very tough challenge. So I think with all these things, I think I don't want to take other words. There are other champions also whom I can see. And Mr. Dev, I will take the opportunity to welcome Mr. Raja Jupudi, who is the father of the World Under 19.
That's fantastic. Welcome,
Yeah.
Raja ji. Please open your mic.
Raja ji, if you can show your video, and you can also bring Drishti on the video. Then they can know that the Under 19 World Badminton Champion is also on the line.
Yeah, most welcome, Raja Jupudi ji.
Thank you, Sanjeev ji, for welcoming me, and thank you.
Raja ji, can you make your video?
At the moment, my network is little slow,
Okay,
because there are other two calls going on simultaneously. Probably another 5-10 minutes I can.
No problem.
Okay. So we have a Manjari Sehgal. She is a badminton player.
Oh, okay, very nice. So I cannot.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, Sehgal. I think now I cannot talk much about my younger daughter. But anyway, let me introduce myself. I'm the father of the.
आप थोड़ा सा तेज बोलेंगे, राजा जी?
हाँ जी.
थोड़ा सा तेज बोलिएगा.
Yeah, sure. I'm Raja Jupudi, and I'm the father of Srishti Jupudi, who has played World Championships, and she was trained under Gopi Chen. So she played Asian Championship, and she played the World Championship Juniors. And now she has taken a break at the age of 19 to pursue the leadership path of, to transfer the knowledge that she gained and be an inspirator or a role model for the younger gen. And it's very nice, and congratulations to Dev. I think you're doing a wonderful job having so many people educated and strengthening their skills and qualities.
Thank you.
All the best
so
to you.
much.
Thank you very much.
So Kanika, now you take
Okay,
a
Dr.
mic.
Dev, 1 second.
Yeah,
Actually,
please.
Priyanka, Shanmuga Priyanka, she could not be a part of the convocation. She has come
Yeah.
here right now.
Yeah, please. Yeah,
Priyanka,
announce their name. And take
CAS
it.
and SPA would like to congratulate you for completing your sports hip injuries and ACL injury and rehab.
Yeah, Priyanka, congratulations.
Thank you.
Just can we
Hi,
see
thank
you,
you, sir. Thank
Priyanka?
you.
Yeah, please share
Yeah,
your
just a minute.
experience.
Just a minute. Yeah.
Yeah, share your experience, Priyanka.
One
Because
minute.
this entire world wants you. Yeah, Priyanka.
Yeah, hello, sir. Hi, good evening, all. Thanks for this. What we are doing now. I've seen many young people joining here, and we are giving some awareness to the society about the sports and everything. I'm really proud to be a part of this. Thank you.
So nice. That's great. Yeah. So now, Kanika, it's time for you for the vote of thanks. But before vote of thanks, we wish to listen the views from our dynamic Manjari Sagar, dynamic badminton player. She's, I think, during this convocation, she start walking, and I think she's very disciplined. Yeah. So please.
I'll start with पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो होगे नवाब खेलोगे कूदोगे तो होगे खराब. So good evening, the August gathering. So I intentionally started with this because Dr. Dev Arora had made this kahavat or the proverb wrong. Now he is really, struggling so that all the sports persons should get a chance to show their worth.
Yes.
So a big he's taken this initiative with the whole team. So kudos to Dr. Dev Arora and his team. So see, at least there is somebody who can take care of the students, the children, those who are so engrossed in sports that sometimes they leave studies too. We know that academics is an integral part of somebody's life, but yes, sports too is the integral part now, because principals just now said that yes, the sports were considered as extracurricular activities. Then we started with the co-curricular activities. Now in 11th standard, students are free to take PHE. So there also the theoretical part and the practical part is being introduced. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you everyone, and thank you the warm August gathering. Thank you so much, sir.
Very nice, very nice. So thank you, Manjari, and thank you, everyone. Anybody want to or wish to share their views? So that's a welcome. And I think Kanika, if you are there, please give a vote of thanks. Otherwise, Dr. Gopa Kumar, you take a mic. Kanika, are you there? Yeah, Kanika. Yeah, please.
Thank you, everyone, and many congratulations to Dr. Gopa Kumar and Dr. Dev Arora and the entire team of SPA India. Dr. Gopa Kumar, as I said, you are doing a fantastic job. It's beyond my words to say that you are creating a different platform for young minds, young students, and creating an opportunity for them to grow further in their life. And no doubt, as Manjari said and everybody said that Dr. Dev is doing a much appreciable job by creating opportunity to young students for being a part of a sports education, which is now not just an optional thing, it has become a part of our life. So it's been great to be part of this team and be part with you, Dr. Gopa Kumar, for giving certificates to all participants, because I feel honored somehow to be a part of the webinars and the convocation, because we get to meet new people, new spirits, new sports people, and that gives us more inspiration to grow in our life the way sports person do. So it's been great opportunity. Thank you everyone for joining, and it's a great platform to interact with such high people who are already at the pinnacle of their career. It's been great interacting with all of you, and we look forward to have more interactions, and definitely for our physical meet, which is 2021, where we all will create a new history in the world. Not just in India, it's going to be the entire world, as very correctly said. It's not just Delhi or Mumbai. It's from Ludhiana to London and Mumbai to Dubai. So we're going to create this for the entire world, where we're going to meet all the potential students and great academicians. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Dr. Deb Arora, for giving me the opportunity to speak to everyone. It's been great. Good night, everyone.
Dr. Kanika, she's the director of SPA India from Delhi. So I think thank you everyone. Dr. Gopa Kumar, we can you can make it your closing remark. So
no, that's it. So as Kanika already has mentioned, so we look forward to work more and to join and see up together again. Keep in touch. So and stay updated. That's all.
Yeah,
updated
ourselves, all of us, for your new program, 3 months, 6 month program in association with SPA India and Armenia. Just share those programs.
So thanks a lot to all the participants for being here, and good night. See you all.
Big thumbs up. Big thumbs up to everyone. Thank you so much.
Good night.
Yeah, Manjari. Ha, yeah, that's great. That's great. Dal gaya din ho gayi sham. Welcome, Radha Madam. So nice.
No, it's not only me. 2 more are there, sir.
Yeah, everyone. That's good. Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. And congratulations to the certificate holders.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, everyone.
Thank you.
Great pleasure being with
Bye.
you.
Thanks.
Take care. Stay safe.
Yeah. Be healthy.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
See you, man. Take care.